And today we're gonna explore the Boudhanath Stupa, guys. So it's my first time to be here, and for all the foreign people, the foreign country, the entry fees is 400 Nepali rupee, guys. So there is a lot of foreign people, they are coming inside here, and I'm so curious also to know much more about the place, the stupa, and the culture, the belief behind it, guys. So you can see this is the stupa behind it, and today I just can't wait to show you everything, to explore together the culture and tradition of Buddhism, guys. Actually, guys, Buddha is born in Nepal, and that is why he has a very great place in Nepal, and is among the greatest god, especially in Nepal here, guys. So let's dive to it, and we'll come to know so much more, guys. Yeah. So you can see people come and pray for the Buddha, for the Lord, and this is the culture, guys. And by the way, I just have surprise for you guys. Just let me know how is my t-shirt, guys. I bought it yesterday from Bhaktapur.